Let's begin by logging into your Zilliz account. From Zilliz.com, click Log In. I've already signed up for a Zilliz Cloud account, so I will continue logging in with my Google account. I'm now logged into my Zilliz Cloud account. To create a cluster, first select the project that you want to use, click Clusters, and then click Create Cluster. For this exercise, I'll be creating a free cluster type. So I'll click Free. I'll leave the rest of the defaults, and then I'll click Create. It will take a few minutes for this cluster to be created. Alright, the cluster is now running. The two pieces of information I'll need at this point are the cluster URI, known in Zilliz as the public endpoint. I'll also need the username and password. To get this information, on your cluster details page, go down to the Connect tab. You'll see the public endpoint with a copy button so you can grab that information, as well as the username and password. Click the icon, and then under Actions, click Reset Password. Assign a new password, then click Confirm. Be sure to copy both the username and password to a secure location. You'll also need the name of the database and the name of the collection inside that database. On Zilliz, for free cluster types, the name of the database by default is always default. So that'll be the name of the database. If you're running a different type of cluster in Zilliz, you should see a tab up here with databases. Then you can grab the name of the database from that tab. So let's skip ahead and create a collection. To do this, I'll click the Collections tab, then click Create Collection. Alright, first we'll need to give it a name. I'll start with My Collection. And now we'll need to define the schema. So we already have a primary key field name entered. We're going to override that. And we're going to call that element ID. The field type is going to be varchar with a maximum length of 200. For the vector field, we're going to name that embeddings of type float vector with 3072 dimensions. It will be indexed of type cosine. Finally, we'll add the third field named record ID of type varchar with a max length of 200. Then click Create Collection. And that's it.